Editing purchase orders in QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during cleanup, vendor updates, or when you need to correct details across multiple orders. If you need to update dates, fix descriptions, adjust classes or locations, or correct product details, doing it one by one takes time, and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit purchase orders in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You export the purchase orders to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option for quick fixes on a few purchase orders.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today.
Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection, and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, go to Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Purchase Orders from the drop-down. Next, set up your filters to pull only the purchase orders you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. Choose Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the purchase order records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the purchase orders you want to edit, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns and any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing purchase orders. Update only the fields you want to change, such as date, description, memo, class, location, or other editable fields in the purchase order template. For example, here I have edited the date and the product for this purchase order. Save the file after you finish your edits. After making the changes, go back to SaasAnt. This time, choose Modify from the dashboard and select Purchase Orders as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the review screen, check that the columns in your file are mapped correctly to the QuickBooks fields, especially the fields you just edited. When everything looks correct, click Preview and then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your purchase orders. To verify the results, switch back to your QuickBooks Online account and open the purchase order. Confirm that the updated values match what you changed in Excel. If you only need to fix a few purchase orders quickly, you can use Live Edit. Then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching lets you filter and pull purchase orders using options like date type and date range. Edit by reference lets you pull specific purchase orders directly using their reference numbers. For this example, I am choosing Edit by searching. Select Purchase Orders from the drop-down. Choose your date type and set your date range, then click Search. SaasAnt will load the matching purchase orders in a table. From here, you can click into any editable field you want to change. For example, here I am editing the date field for the selected purchase order. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks Online. After the update is processed, open the purchase order in QuickBooks Online and verify the change. That's how you can edit purchase order using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.